Alright, man, what's going on? Another trade recap on the day. Took a small loss today, around 130 bucks. On the eval, I had to reset this bitch. But, probably was pretty avoidable loss, but, um, ended up taking it anyway. I just want to see a little bit of a continuation lower. So, coming in this morning, I was actually pretty bullish. The day I want to see this previous day high become the draw. We were reacting out of this 1 hour gap, and we were just continuing seeing some bullish order flow. We ended up taking the previous day high pre-market, so got that. There was a potential short right here that I could have taken. Probably should have taken. It was the only good setup I've seen today so far. Uh, Took that pre-market and then market open. We came up, we reswapped this internal high, and then we had a 30-second IFEG to the downside. Target this internal swing low right here. Uh, in hindsight, I really just wanted to see us come back down in this 15-minute gap, this breakaway gap right here. Not this one, but this one, to see if we wanted to get a push and go back up higher towards this buy side we had resting up here that NQ has still not taken, as well as just these inefficiencies, these big 4 hour gaps that we have not tapped into yet. So I was kind of looking for that. So after we had this move lower, was looking in this 15-minute for value gap. Whoa, for value gap. Wanted to see if we wanted to get a flip off that because we came back down, tapped CE of it, and was in a discount of the range. If we got along, it would have been juicy, but we ended up didn't getting it, and we just continued lower and lower and lower. So I think I may have just married a bias a little too hard today. After we realizing we were gonna go lower. After we inverses 15-minute for value gap, I was like, all right, yeah, drawing liquidity is definitely lower. Price is pushing lower. Might want to see if we can get anything to that. No entries to this. I don't know why it's all the way up there. It's supposed to be right here. No, I didn't see any entries to this sell side level right here. Pretty much just a straight move down. And then yeah. After seeing all of this, we have this other 930 wick right here that we had left and we have not taken yet. So I was like, all right, we're price is moving lower. Um, you know, drawn liquidity must still be lower. So I come down here, lower time frame, continue push. I'm just looking for some kind of like little retrace. So on the 1 minute here, we have this 1 minute order block right here. We come up, we tap into the order block. I don't think ES tapped it. Um, or ES did tap it. ES did tap it. Tap that 1 minute order block, as well as this 1 minute for value gap. Reject off of that. Scale down to the lower time frame here. We have this 30-second for value gap. Uh, where? Or was it the 15-second? I can't remember. Maybe the 15-second. 15-second, yeah. Okay. I thought it was the 30-second, man. I don't know. Well, we got this 15-second for value gap that got ran through with displacement. Waited for a pullback on the IFEG and put the stop right at the high. Really, really tight stop on this. Really just a small. Was just looking for like a little couple points on the day. Catching a little continuation. But ended up getting stopped out pretty quick. Probably could have avoided this trade. This was just kind of like a last minute, see something might play out. Not really a very high quality setup at all, but kept the loss very small, so not too worried about that. Really just looking for some A plus trade setups that I can size in heavy on the eval. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all for today. If you caught a trade today, hope it was a banger. If not, we have other days, boys. Yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.